In the last week, we have released our Microsoft Teams integration. In order to be able to ask questions directly to your Vera account from Teams, all you need to do is click on Settings and click on Install Vera app for Teams. Alternatively, you can also directly go to Teams, and if you go to the App Store, you'll be able to just search for Vera and download it directly there. Now, once you've done that, you will be able to add Vera to any channels that you currently have going, or you can directly open it within the Teams itself. As you can see, the very first thing that is happening is that it's giving us some instructions. All we need to do is click on Get Started with Vera to confirm the integration, and that will be pretty much it. Once that it's done, we will be able to, again, from Teams, in any channel that we've added the integration to, or directly here, we can go ahead and just ask a question. So we can, for example, say something like, what is our encryption like? And automatically Vera will start going through all of the questions that we have historically answered, either one-to-one or in the questionnaires, any documents that we have uploaded in order to give us a response directly in Teams. Amazing. So now Vera has automatically responded here, and as you can see, we have all the references we need from documents or past answers so that we can verify the response itself. We can also provide feedback directly within Teams, and that will be exactly the same that you would if you did it through the platform. Another super cool feature that we have also released this week is the ability to complete security questionnaires or RFPs that are within a portal, so not something you can export to a CSV, an Excel or similar, and you have to complete it here, and to do so with a single click export. So let's say that you are on this questionnaire, and within the extension, you're going to be able to click on Start a New Questionnaire. Whenever you do that, the platform will automatically extract the URL where the questionnaire should be, and we can, for example, say that this is a company like IBM sending us the security questionnaire. We click on Create a Questionnaire, and automatically the platform will start looking through previous questions, through documents, in order to find relevant sources that we can start answering directly from. As you can see, it has already gotten the first 5 questions, which is basically what we have in this initial section here. If we were to go to the second section and click on Scan, it will continue to scan those as well. In a couple of seconds, it has already answered some of those questions for us. As you can see, it's pretty much the same experience you would have from the platform, but within your browser directly. You can go through them, approve them if you like, and once you're happy with them, you can click on Fill Answers. That will basically approve everything that we have already done, so there's 5 questions, and just add them directly for us. It will basically add them to the questionnaire, to the security questionnaire in the portal, without us having to copy and paste ever again. Well, these are some of the amazing things that we have developed in the last week alone. If you have any features or anything that you're dying to see within the tool, please get in touch. We would love to hear from you, and we're always excited to add new features every week.